3 cheers for the Nanny State Assessment modified. Please type your name, date, and the block number that you are in. You may use your notes and book for this assessment. Number 1. According to 3 cheers for the Nanny State, what item did New York City attempt to ban? Unsafe cars, imported clothing, large sodas. Number 2. As explained in 3 cheers for the Nanny State, why were some people resistant to the ban discussed? They did not like being told what to do. They found the ban's language hard to understand. They feared punishment for disobeying the ban. Number 3. What psychological concept discussed in 3 cheers for the Nanny State explains the reason the mind does not always make the best decisions? Cognitive bias, talk therapy, long-term memory. Number 4. According to 3 cheers for the Nanny State, what do opponents of the ban discussed in the essay fear? Increased poverty, more regulations, or higher prices? Number 5. Which of the following situations could best be used to illustrate the meaning of rational? Laughing during a sad movie, staying inside during a storm, walking barefoot in the snow. Number 6. If you think that a past action is justifiable, which of the following must be true, based on your answer on the meaning of justifiable? You believe that you can defend the action. You believe that no one noticed the action. You believe that the action was dishonest. Number 7. What is the most likely meaning of principle in the following sentence? Doctors follow the principle of do no harm when treating their patients. Questionable practice, medical diagnosis, or guiding belief. Number 8. The following excerpt from 3 cheers for the Nanny State. Obviously, it's not about soda. It's because such a ban suggests that sometimes we need to be stopped from doing foolish stuff, and this has become, in contemporary American politics, highly controversial, no matter how trivial the particular issue. Large cups of soda as symbols of human dignity. Really? What is the impact of the parenthetical text? It suggests that the author recognizes why there have been misunderstandings about the ban from the public. It demonstrates that the author does not understand how or why the ban was put into effect. It reveals that the author believes the ban has been given more attention than it deserves. Number 9. The following question has 2 parts. Answer part A first and then part B. Part A. Which of the following states a main purpose of 3 cheers for the Nanny State? To persuade people to reject the ban, to suggest an alternative to the ban, to explain the necessity of the ban. Number 10, Part B. Which sentence from the 3 cheers for the Nanny State best supports the answer to Part A? After all, people can still get as much soda as they want. For some people, yes, it's an absolute loss. Like the guy about to step through the hole in the bridge, we need help. Number 11. The following question has 2 parts. Answer Part A first and then Part B. Part A. How does the author of 3 cheers for the Nanny State feel about the ban? She opposes the ban. She supports the ban. She distrusts the ban. Number 12. Part B. Which quotation from the text best supports the answer to Part A? And that's why, as irritating as it may initially feel, the soda regulation is a good idea. The freedom to buy a really large soda all in one cup is something we stand to lose here. So, do these laws mean that some people will be kept from doing what they really want to do? Number 13. Which of the following best describes an adjustment? Base your answer on the meaning of the Latin root just. Making something louder than is already loud. Making something hidden that is already hidden on purpose. Making something right that was wrong. Number 14. Read the following sentence. Javier protested the development of a new mall because the city has a large shopping center. What kind of clause is underlined in the sentence? Noun clause, adverb clause, relative clause. Number 15. A relative clause acts as which of the following? Noun, verb, adjective.